Well, we just sort of hooked the battery up, live feed there, and then we've earthed the negative, so we'll see if we get something. Oh, we got something. And I think we've got a rear light. Have we got a front one? Yeah, we've got a front light. Sort of. We've got, should be some high beam, which don't want to work. So that needs sorting. Horn don't work. We've got one indicator light stuck on. Rear one stuck on. There's no left indicators, they're in a bag. So that's good. That flashes. Something dodgy going on there. Lights off. Lights on. Pass. That don't work. See if brake light works. Oh, yeah, that works. That's pretty good. So, just a bit of an experiment. Stripping down bit by bit this bike. So as you can see, carbs, air box is off. The weather for northern Lincolnshire and East Yorkshire cloudy to start with some sharp showers possible later, highs of 17 Celsius, 63 Fahrenheit. The odd sharp shower possible tonight too, lows of 8 Celsius, 46 Fahrenheit. Still seized. The road is closed northbound from Seaview Street to Grant Street in Cleethorpes because of road works. The gas main work is closed Winkenlee and Hull between Any tips on unseizing? Please send me some sort of message. I've got this down cylinders at minute. Somebody recommended it, so it's been down there for about a week now. It hasn't really done much. Got carbs off. Carbs are gunked up with some right old fuel in there, so that's a job, obviously. But once I get it unseized, then kind of move forward with it. Yamaha XS750, by the way. I think you saw last week when it arrived here from north of England. Right, anyway, any tips? Please feel free to help me. Cheers.